What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we're gonna be.
Bro, what the fuck? That's my shit. That's my intro.
How was my accent?
It was hella good.
It was alright. It was alright.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day.
There you go. As you already know, we are doing a meet November 7th.
For those people who live in Arizona, you guys already know, like, the area is gonna be on 91st Ave in Northern. Type that shit in your GPS and it will take you straight there.
All the information is in the flyers that we've been posting, but like he said, it's for everyone in Arizona, so we want to make it just a little bit more interesting. So we decided to do a little giveaway. My man's here is sponsored by Action Clutch. I'm not, sad face. Action Clutch, hit me up. What's up? But we got a clutch over here. If you have a 1G or a 2G, it only fits a 1G or a 2G,
1G,
right?
2G, GST, GSX, if it's either or. It's a 6-puck stage 3 clutch. Pretty much it'll go anywhere from, you know, from stock to 300-400 horsepower. I want to say it'll hold perfect, but it's free, so you can't complain about it.
Well, let's still find a way to complain. But we realized he's mostly a DSM channel, so am I. Most of the followers are DSMers, so we decided to just do a DSM clutch. We got some rules for the giveaway. Rule number 1.
All right, so rule number 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to be subscribed to One Handed Pants channel. You have to follow us on Instagram for sure.
Put your Instagram right here.
4G63 Addict.
And then, most importantly, rule number 3, you gotta go bodies with Kevin in the parking lot. You gotta do your best David impression at the meet.
Top of the building, like you have to jump off, do a front flip, and you have to land on your feet or else you don't get the clutch.
You gotta race David in his Evo. If you don't win, you don't get the clutch.
You don't get the clutch.
Rule number 3 is you have to be at the meet. You don't have to have a 1G or a 2G. I guess you could sell it after the meet, but you have to be at the meet. You have to be subscribed to me. You have to be subscribed to David. You have to follow us on Instagram, and you get yourself a free 6-puck stage 3 clutch by Action Clutch. Thank you very much, Action Clutch, for sending that out.
Yeah, big shout out to Action Clutch for sending out super fast shipping, and we can show you guys a clutch.
It must be nice to be sponsored.
So here's a clutch. This is what's gonna come with your kit. So you're gonna have obviously your clutch, 6-puck clutch. Pam, you're gonna have you can even get a little lanyard. You get some stickers. And then you get your alignment tool, your throwout bearing, and your flywheel. So you get pretty much a complete kit. You can't complain. For Frizzle.
If you needed even more reason to come, we got the homies from California coming.
We for sure don't know all of them that are gonna make it, but we have a good group coming from Cali. A couple of people hit us up from Vegas that they're gonna come down too, so that's gonna be pretty sick. We wanna make this the biggest one. DSM, I've had a couple of meets, and me and Carlos want this one to be the biggest one. So
we got my dude George coming from Chicago. He told me on Snapchat.
Anyone's welcome. Again, if you haven't seen this, or you haven't seen the flyer, you haven't seen the previous video, anyone is welcome. Any make or model. If you have a bike, a skateboard, some roller skates, you can fucking show up, post
Lambo Feeties,
whatever you have. Anybody's welcome. Just respect the spot. No burning out. If you grab something to eat, don't pick up your trash. You know, and just be respectful, and we should be good.
If you start revving, you start burning out, we will call you out, and we will kick you out. We dead ass will.
You can catch a gap.
Or the hands from anybody.
So don't forget, guys, November 7th, we're gonna be there. The meet starts at 4 o'clock. We might be there a little earlier just to kind of get set up, but we'll be there from 4 to whenever it ends. So see you guys there.
Perfect.